Hello guys, you're all welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time I'm coming across my channel, you're welcome. My name is Amara Angie. So guys, you can see me in this street. This is village. We are here. This is my husband's place. We are in the village, guys, and we're just strolling along the street. Guys, this is a street in a village.
This village is in Mbise, Imo State, aka Obo City. People from this village are tribe. They go out there and bring something new back home. Akorulo amaka.
Happy New Year. Okay, well done. Okay. Same to you. Yeah. I am inside the bush. We travel to the village. I've been visiting different farms, including my brother-in-law's farm. So this is where we are. We'll go inside his own farm. I'll also take you to his friend's farm.
These are feed for pig. They are doing a very serious business. Can see feed everywhere.
My brother-in-law's farm. Oh, these are pigs. Pigs everywhere.
They separated these ones from others because they gave birth.
See them. See them. I heard that this is a very lucrative business. 2, 4, 6.
This is my brother-in-law's friend's pig. You can see pigs everywhere. Pig farm is also a lucrative business. People are making a lot of money from it.
These are the pigs, guys. Wow. Guys, I'm at the fish farm now. This is fish pond. This is another one.
It has different stages: finger lengths, post finger lengths, juvenile, post juvenile stage, and I heard that this one is at jumbo stage. And guys, I love fish farms so much, and I also learned that it's a very lucrative business.
This is fish farm, guys.
Fish everywhere. Please, my wonderful people, do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share my videos. Thanks.